Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm gonna draw Anya Forger from Spy Family or Spy X Family, whatever you wanna call it. Okay. So let's see.
あーやこれ好き
Okay guys, so now you might see the imprints on the paper that was present before I started drawing, and you might think that this boy has copied from somewhere and just outlining the drawing, but this is not true, right? What happened, I just took the 2B pencil outline that I always took before my drawings, and what happens then, it was like I have put too much pressure on the paper that it got imprinted, and when I just erased all the 2B pencil lead, what happens, what remained is this imprint. So I thought if I had done some work on it, why not just outline? But like, don't be misunderstanding about it, because I really drew it. I didn't record the video. I don't know like how to make you believe, but it is what it is, right? So please bear with me, and please do not think I have copied. I don't do that, right? Why will I do that? Because I know I have a thing that I can draw. Okay, so yeah, I can trust you guys, and you guys can trust me. That's why this whole community works, right? So yeah, let's enjoy this video. And I also have a cute reveal after that, so you'll just go and you just watch the whole video, and I have a beautiful reveal after that. Enjoy.